In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter dividends in Xero. We're going to walk through how to set up a specific account in your chart of accounts so you can correctly record dividend payments. This is important because dividends are distributions of profit to owners, and they should be recorded as equity, not as an expense. Setting this up properly now will make your reports cleaner and your year-end accounting much easier. First, from your Xero dashboard, look towards the top of the screen for the main navigation menu. Click on the Accounting tab. This is where you access all of your core financial tools, including your chart of accounts, bank reconciliations, and reports. Once the accounting menu is open, select Chart of Accounts. This is the list of every account your organization uses to track its financial activity. Think of it like the backbone of your bookkeeping system. Getting things in the right category here keeps everything tidy later on. On the Chart of Accounts page, look for the option to add a new account and click on Add Account. We're creating a dedicated equity account specifically for dividends instead of trying to reuse a different account that might not be appropriate. A form will appear where you can define the details of this new account. Find the field labeled Account Type and click on the small arrow or drop-down icon next to it. This will open a list of all the different types of accounts available in Xero. From that drop-down list, choose Equity. Dividends reduce retained earnings, so they sit under equity rather than expenses. Choosing equity here is crucial. If you accidentally choose expenses, your profit and loss report will be misleading because dividends are not a business cost. Next, move to the code field and type in a code for this dividend account. The exact number you use is up to you and your existing numbering system, but try to pick something logical and easy to remember. For example, you might place it near your other equity or retained earnings codes. Consistency is more important than the specific number. After that, go to the name field and type in dividend as the name. You can also make it slightly more descriptive if you like, such as dividends paid, as long as it clearly tells you what the account is for when you see it in reports. Once you've checked that the account type is equity, the code looks correct, and the name is clear, scroll down and click on Save. Xero will add this new dividend account to your chart of accounts, and you'll then be able to use it whenever you record or allocate dividend transactions.